Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to create a form in Airtable. So if this is what you have on your Airtable and you're not in a project, this is what you could be seeing, and all you need to do is to go over to the left sidebar where you have create at the bottom and click on it. You're going to have this page where you have two options to choose. We're going to start from scratch, but first we need to select the workspace. We could choose the first workspace or any workspace that is available and then select start from scratch. Now this is where you might find yourself at first in some instances. From here, you have some options. On the left sidebar, you have form at the bottom. Also at the top, you also have forms. We could click on it and then you can see build your first form. We have new form or view templates. We could click on templates and you're going to have some options here. Templates are a faster way of creating forms if you can find something you prefer. For example, if we want to have an IT request form, we could simply go over to the IT request form and select it. But if we want a product feedback form, we could select a product feedback form without having to create it from a blank page. So we could select product feedback form. And this is a closer preview of your product feedback form. And then if you like what you have here, you can simply click on use template. Again, you get to select the workspace you'd like to use this. We're currently on this workspace, so we can simply add base. Now, after you've done that, sometimes you might find yourself here again. All you need to do is to go over to forms again and click on it. And here you can see the form that you just created. You can also come here and edit anything you want. For example, you have product feedback, which of course you could change if you want to by simply clicking on it and selecting it to change it to whatever you'd like. For example, if the product has a name, you could put the name of the product here and you could name it as you wish. Under add description, you could simply click on it and also add your description. Under feedback type, feedback and screenshot, you can also edit and customize them as you wish. You also have the option to input fields. And then you have the option for emails. Basically, all you need to create your form is here and you could edit it as you wish. After all is done and you like it, you can simply go over to the top right corner where you have publish form. After you've clicked on publish, you're going to have this page where you will be asked who can access this form. Anyone on the web, only users with base access, or anyone at a domain. So you could copy the link or embed it into another website if you like. After that's done, you can click on the X and there you have your form. You can decide to click on share again if you want to share it again, and you're going to say this and change the settings as you wish. So this is what you need to do if you want to create a form on Airtable.